Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. We were in the market for a new light and ceiling fan to upgrade our daughter's bedroom, and we are so pleased with this beautiful LED ceiling light and fan from BKZO. Our daughter's favorite thing about it is all of the different modes that she can choose from. She can choose from thousands of different colors and brightness levels to customize the lighting to her mood. Whether she wants low light to relax in her bed and flip through her phone, or a bright white light to study, this light offers many different choices. We were also pleasantly surprised by how powerful the fan is. With the remote control or with the app, she's able to adjust the lighting and the fan speed from the comfort of her bed. Everything came well packaged with everything that you need to install it and easy to read and follow instructions. My husband and I had this up and running in less than half an hour. My daughter is the kind of person that likes the fan on all the time, whether she's sleeping, cleaning, studying, or just getting ready for the day. Her fan is running. And because of its constant use, we were a little worried about the durability. But despite the constant usage, this fan has held up to everything that my daughter has put it through, and it shows no signs of stopping. So if you're ready to ditch the traditional ceiling fan and add a little flair and a whole lot of fun to any room, then I think you're going to love this LED ceiling fan and light from BKZO. And that's my point of view.